Hello everyone, my name is Max Kavanaugh here at MarineMax Rogers to showcase this beautiful 2024 SLX 310. It's a beautiful boat in Sea Ray's lineup, beautiful open bow day cruiser with a hardtop. Now this boat is specifically powered by twin Mercruiser 250 horsepower engines producing 500 horsepower in total. It's got Bravo 3 drives, and a few things to point out on this boat. It's a beautiful white exterior with a Sea Ray blue accent, which is a navy light color. The exterior, so right behind me, you have a beautiful windlass anchor up here. You'll have docking lights as an option. Then you have 6 stainless steel cleats around the entire boat to tie off in a slip at a dock or to tie up to other boats when you're out anchoring. So a lot of great options on this 310 SLX. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right guys, we're up on the 310 SLX. We're in the stern right now, and you'll notice right away this great space just to lounge out and relax. Now you do have a few options here. You have backrests that pop up like so. There's 2 of them. You can fold them right back down very easily. And there also is actually some shallow storage underneath this seat. Now it does drain too, so it's a great place to put your dock lines. If they are wet, it will drain out too with these little drains that are in there, which is nice. You're gonna have cup holders on each side, RGB lighting inside the cup holders. Over here on your port side, you'll have a transom stereo remote here to control the audio system if you so choose to. A 12-volt receptacle there for maybe blowing up a tube if you would like to. You have a tow point down here to tow tubers. If you'd like, you could tow a skier if you wanted to. I mean, it's a possibility. You can certainly do that. So that's located right there. A beautiful swim platform back here. It's very spacious, very big. You're gonna have sea deck, the stone interior sea deck here. So it's gonna match the stone vinyl, which is nice. And as you walk to the starboard side, you have a nice entryway into the cockpit. You'll have storage in the floor. And you'll see you're gonna have a freshwater washdown station right here. You can pop this out, hose off your feet if they're sandy. Okay. You have a boarding step right here that pops down. And again, as you walk in, it's gonna feel very spacious. A little galley type setup right here. You have a sink, a little prep station here, and then you're gonna have an electric stove top as well. Below the electric stove top, it is optional with the fridge. So you can throw your drinks in there, keep them cold for the entire day. You're gonna have a great seating configuration. This nice U shape right here, or I should say L shape. You can have a table with a pedestal right in the middle of the floor here, so that everybody can sit around the table, enjoy a drink, enjoy some food, play some games, card games. I think that's certainly a lot of fun, especially on a nice, warm, sunny day. Here in Minnesota, it's fun to do that with the family. You will have some, I would say, secret compartments where, if I lift this up here, there's deep storage actually here, which is really cool. So that's something that I would say not many people know up right off the bat. All of the stainless steel grab handles actually have vinyl that's wrapped around them. So when it gets super hot out in the summertime, you're not going to be touching hot stainless steel here. You'll be touching cool vinyl, which is nice. You're not going to burn your hand. Another seating area right here, just to kind of face back into the cockpit. More of a communal feel, more of a feeling of people gathering together and talking, which is cool. As we work our way up towards the helm and the passenger chair, you're gonna have in-floor storage. You're gonna have cooler storage right in here. You're gonna notice the RGB lighting as well around this boat, which is cool. You can change that to any color that you want, red, green, pink, whatever it might be. You can change that through the Simrad screens, which is nice. You're gonna have a beautiful hardtop with a sunroof that does open up. You can close it if you want more shade. You're gonna have RGB lighting kind of wrapped in the outskirts of the actual hardtop. RGB lighting in the speakers too, that's on the hardtop. You'll have 2 speakers in total that are on the hardtop. Yeah, it's a really great setup. It looks fantastic. And I didn't point out this. I'll point it out real quick just because I should. It has the extended sure shade right here that'll deploy aft and give you a lot of shade in the back transom area, which is a nice feature. Now let's go to the helm. And then we'll move to the passenger side. The Helm is optioned out very, very nicely with dual simrads. The Helm chair itself has a flip up and flip down bolster, just to give the captain more visibility. Beautiful Sea Ray embroidered logo, beautiful stitching, very nicely designed. The throttles, you have dual throttles here. You have your Exquisite joystick here. Makes it super easy to dock this boat with this joystick. You have your DRS, your dynamic running surface, which are automatic trim tabs, located right here. It's a Lenco system. On the actual dash here, you have your Fusion audio system, which is flush mounted. It looks super slick. Your volume dial, and then everything else is touchscreen within the Fusion system. You're gonna have some physical buttons here still for your windlass anchor, your daytime, or your running lights, your anchor lights, which is nice. Your blower switch, easy to access. And then moving up to your simrads, you're gonna have two beautiful simrads here where you can display your chart, you can display your Sea Ray controls. So it makes it really easy just to access information. You can have your engine information popped up, so your RPMs, your miles per hour, your fuel level, all of that. So these are two great screens to have, and just to make the operation of this boat much easier. Beautiful steering wheel, that's leather wrapped, 3-spoke design. They've done a great job, Sea Ray has. On the passenger side, again, same style of seat as the Helm chair. Flip up, flip down bolster. It's double wide, so you can fit 2 people there. You have some nice grab handles here in the gunnel, some storage as well. Speaker over there. Now, you're gonna have a glove box here that's recessed. Great storage compartment. It does lock too, so if you want to put valuables in there, you certainly can. As I open up the head here, very spacious, very elegant. You have a sink down there, obviously the head that's vacuum flush, sea deck all the way down into the head. Locks like so, which is slick. Spacious walkway into the bow itself, and a lot of storage in here. Flip up each seat, storage, more storage, and then check this out. When I flip up the starboard side, a lot of storage in there, so you'll see that there's just a lot of storage in this boat to make it that more accommodating for a nice day on the water with your friends and your family. You're gonna have armrests that flip down for more comfort. RGB lighting. There's 2 speakers up here in total, and then you do have access to the windlass anchor here, and a freshwater washdown station right here as well, so that you can easily rinse off your anchor when it comes up from the bottom of the lake or the river. So guys, this is the beautiful 2024 Sea Ray SLX 310 located here at our MarineMax Rogers location. It's on our show floor, and we would love to have you guys stop by to check this out, or feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. We would be certainly glad to help you out. Thank you very much, and take care.